Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your Creative Zen Air Plus so quiet? So firstly, I recommended to clean the grill. You need to remove ear tips from your left and right earbuds and clean the grill. Make it slightly, and you need to use a brush, or if you haven't cleaned tool, you can use also toothbrush. By the way, at this channel we have video how to clean this earbud, so if you don't know how, you can check that video. Next, maybe your problem is that your earbuds just too old, and maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem only with the right earbud, we can change audio balance. It's not fully fixed, but it helped you. So firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part to find a similar path. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then you need to go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. Enter into Accessibility, then scroll down again, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, and then scroll down. And here it is, we have audio balance. So if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. But you need to test it and make something good for you, because if you use 100% on your right earbud or left, you will lower the volume for the left earbud. And if you use it for the left earbud, you will lower the volume for the right earbud. Now, if you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this slider to the left. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to also go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom in the Settings. So we need to scroll down, here is Accessibility, tap at this line, then you need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we have Audio Adjustment. Audio Adjustment, tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. So if you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. So you need to check what will be good for you. Now, if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right earbud, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!